What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. All right, I got the new Dell XPS 15. What's it, the 59? I got the new computer. Listen, we'll get into all that later, all right? We'll leave this knife around. All right, so I want to unbox it. Let's just listen. This is the new top-of-the-line computer. And I've been needing to upgrade for a while because I just need to upgrade. So listen, let's just get into this and see. We'll get into all the specs, all the good stuff later. Let's just jump into this. Let's see what it looks like fresh out the box. So if you know about Dell, you know, Dell has been kind of leading the game in computer performance for a little minute. And I definitely needed to upgrade for my video editing. I needed something that was going to render faster. I needed something that was going to be able to run my different big programs. And sometimes rendering, you guys don't know, being a YouTuber is difficult. It's stressful when you're trying to edit and render these projects, and it takes forever because your computer is slow and it can't handle the speeds of the different programs. So this is supposed to be a beast. We're gonna find out. I hope it's what it's cracked up to be. The grand unveiling, the grand unboxing. Let's make sure my hands isn't all greasy and contaminated. First, before we get into that, what's this? This is the power cord. Do I really need to open this? No. This is the power brick. Okay, nice sizable battery. We'll get into all that later. Listen. What's this thing look like? Bam. Okay, it's kind of white. Let's drop this color so we can get a better visual. Okay, there we go. Nice gray. Got the whatever this is, the little plastic. Man, let's get this out of the box. Let's get this out. What's all this stuff in here? Okay, so this is very light. Feels light. I thought it was actually be a little bit thinner, but this is cool. It's not a problem. Let's get back. Wait. Let's get into the box first. All right, let's get this light back on. What's anything in here? Okay, let's see. No, it's just packaging. Okay, out of there. Sorry about that. Listen, the paperwork. I ordered this maybe a week ago. It was supposed to come on the 17th. Today is, today's the 10th. It came a full 7 days early. That's a whole week earlier. I'm excited. The UPS guy rang my bell, and I was just like, whoa, what? He showed up to the door. I'm like, whoa, wait, that's a computer. My computer's here, yeah! And it's great because I really have to edit a lot of stuff right now. And I really need to get this thing cracking, get this thing working and see. Okay, so listen, this is how it is. We're going to look at the bottom of it first. What's that say? XPS. It's backwards. Okay, XPS. Okay, so it feels sleek. It feels light. I like the way this looks too. The little gray. It looks like nice and it looks cool. I like the way that looks. So the lightness is important for me because I travel with my computer. So that's definitely good. So I don't know if you can see it. Let's get this light back on. Let's see the ports. Lights, people. Lights. What my technician is bad. Okay. All right. So we have the ports. So you have a card slot. You have your, what does this say? Your SS reader. Well, this is the SD reader. This is your, I can't see. What the hell's going on? This is another reader. This is a button. I don't know what this button do. You just be pressing buttons. Don't know what buttons do. There's not usually a button on the side of a computer, so I don't know. Nothing on this side. So this side you have, I just can't see, people. I'm sorry. Hold on. Bear with me. So you have your mic jack, not your mic jack, your headphone port, HDMI, Lightning, this your USB, not your USB, I mean, whatever. It got your ports here. You can see. We'll get into that later. This is just an unboxing. You see, this looks nice. All right. Get the stuff out the way. All right. So I'm going to open it. Let's open this up, see how it looks, see how it feels. I'm getting excited. I'm getting really, really excited. I'm going to be doing some editing tonight. Whoa. Okay. Lights back on, please, technician. Yes. There we go. Okay. So, okay. Keypad. Click. Okay, that's cool. Nice big mouse pad. It's like a little carbon fiber. This feels nice though. It feels kind of the texture. I like the way this feels. The keypads is cool. Now this is a touchscreen. This is not the OLED one. Now you can hear all that click, 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 clicking in the back because this is an office. We have people back there working. I have my technicians doing what they need to do. So if you hear that click, 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 clicking, it's working in here. It's office. Studio. All right, so this is not a 2-in-1, so I just tried to push this all the way down. As you might have just saw me do that. It don't push all the way down like my other computer. So it's not a 2-in-1. Don't push it all the way. Don't crack it. Don't break it. Don't do nothing crazy. But this is a touchscreen, so I know it's not going to power up. Here's the power button right here. I know it's not going to power up. It's probably dead. I love when stuff powers up from the beginning. There's a little bit of charge. It's always disappointed me when things don't charge right away. See, listen, I don't have any specs for you. I just know this damn thing is powerful. I know it does have 32 gigs of memory, which I need. It has a SSD memory. I believe it's a terabyte. That's excellent. So if you do it, you don't know, the SSD is better than the regular, I can't think in the moment. I can't think at the moment because I'm trying to get this thing off. But the regular thing is, it's a better memory. The SSD is a better memory. Man, you're going to have to wait for the review. Oh, it's powering up. See, I'm trying to get this. Why does that take so long? That might not be cool. From what I know, this is supposed to power up very fast. That took too long, but I know there's a whole setup process.
Hi there. I'm
What up?
Cortana, and I'm here to help.
What's good, Cortana?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there.
Okay.
And we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Yeah, no offense. I don't want to hear from because yeah, see, you messing up. Sorry, no offense. I don't want to hear from you. I'm old school. I just want to type in and do what I got to do. I don't need you talking to me because this is my video. We're gonna be fighting for airtime. I just chill. So we're not gonna do the setup on screen unless you guys want to see it. I don't know. So yeah, I'm in the United States. What's this say? New York keyboard. Well, yeah. Let's see. It's touchscreen. This is what I was trying to say. I didn't get the OLED because I needed the touchscreen. So this is the touchscreen. I need a touchscreen for editing. It's funny because I don't use it a lot, but when you need it, you need it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. This is not the OLED version. The layout, just as long as the keyboard work, I don't care about the configurations. C&G Media, that's me right there. C&G Media, people. All right, so we are in Wi-Fi connected. Let's go through this booting process. I don't like this little blue screen. It's not even taking, it looks crazy like that, but that's not what it is. So I got the, I didn't get the OLED screen because the OLED screen doesn't come in touchscreen. I need the touchscreen. So this is the Adobe, whatever it is. We'll get back to that later. But this thing is spec'd out. Just know that. Just understand it. It's spec'd out. Yeah, I agree to all of that. Just let's go. So it's spec'd out. We'll get into the specs later. We ain't creating my account because I don't rock with fingerprint settings. No. I feel like the government's after me. They're trying to get me in a database and all that. I don't do no fingerprints with nothing. That's just me. Yeah, I be on that conspiracy stuff, but listen, it is what it is. Nah, you don't need, listen, I ain't no criminal. I ain't never been arrested. You don't need my fingerprints in the database. You don't need none of that. You don't need my DNA. No, I'm good. No. Create a pin. Okay, we can create a pin. I'll do that. My battery's gonna die on my camera, so I gotta hurry up. This thing is spec'd out, 32 gigs, high memory card. We're gonna get into those specs later, but I don't need all of that. Leave me alone.
Yo, you gonna make me start cracking up on camera.
Yo, I just need this thing to go, man. I don't need all of this extra stuff. I just need to edit. That's all. Listen, I surf general stuff online, and I edit my programs. I need my Photoshop, my editing to do my. I don't need all the extra stuff, man. Listen, I'm old school still. Despite I'm new school. I'm up to date. I'm still old school. Just the basics. I just need what I need. I don't need that extra stuff. Just chill. Let's go. Nah, I don't need a personal assistant. I got one over here. Type, click, clicking. I don't need a virtual assistant. Nah, I don't need all that. It's too much stuff. See, this is what I'm saying. This stuff is important. Hold on, people. All right, so we should be booting up. It says almost done now. We just need to get a few more things. Why are you stressing me out? Why? Let's just go. All right, one moment. See, now they got to boot back up. I probably should have plugged this in because I have no idea how much thing this has left. But already, listen, I'm excited because I just need to edit. See, here's the thing. If you're a video editor and when you have, you know, just regular files, let's say you got a 4 or 5 minute clip, sometimes your video will take an hour, 2 hours to render. And that's just ridiculous. When you have a faster speed computer, your video will render a lot faster within minutes. You can get a lot more work done. Also, if your computer's slow, when your computer's rendering, or when you're just running too many programs, your computer runs slower. All the programs run slower. You can't get things done in a timely manner. It stresses you out, takes more time, takes the fun and enjoyment out of editing and making your projects. Also, when my projects are rendering on my other computer, it takes up so much space. I can't even surf the net. I have to literally leave my computer alone and go do other things. That's a problem when I'm trying to multitask and get other things done. So if my computer is taking 2 hours to render a project, I can't use my computer for 2 hours. And at the same time, it takes me 2 hours just to get the project rendered. Then I might have to view the project, see if there's any changes I have to make, go back and do the same thing again, wait another 2 hours. Man, you'd be wanting to jump out of a window. All right, let's cut this off so you can see this. Oh, it's still bright. Don't make too much of a difference. All right, so the best just set up browse. All right, next time. So this, man, I gotta upload so much stuff, so I don't even know why I walked you, but bam, this is the screen. Look at the screen, look at the screen, it's bright. Look at that, it's bright. It's bright, looks vibrant. Makes me wanna like jump into the picture. Feels like I'm right there. Makes me wanna like just be a part of it. Just makes me feel alive, like that's just, yeah. I can't wait to start seeing just looks good. All right, so I'm gonna calm down a little bit. This is just the unboxing, the unveiling. It looks cool, it's nice. It's the Dell XPS 15. What's it, the good version? I don't remember the numbers. Listen, I'm not good with all that. I'll get to that later when we do the actual review. But listen, in all seriousness, we're gonna set this up and I'm gonna show you the difference between running my programs on my old computer versus the new computer. Because if you're a tech nerd, you're a tech geek, you're into the computers, then I'm gonna sound crazy to you because you know way more about this stuff than I do. But if you're just a basic person like me, I just know what I need to know, I know what I know, and I know what I need to know for my editing, then you need to pay attention to what I'm telling you because I'm gonna show you the differences on having a mediocre computer versus having a good computer when it comes to the text you have to have. If you're a YouTuber and you're rendering videos, you're editing videos, you're creating projects, you need a computer that has at least 32 gigs of memory. You need a very good memory card, not a memory card, you need a very good graphics card, and you need a good storage and memory to hold all your files. So we'll get into that. Stay tuned, hit the like button. Please let me know what you think. If I sound like a rambling lunatic, let me know. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the truth. It's okay. But don't blame it on me. Blame it on the Old School Labs. I just messed up my mic. Blame it on the Old School Labs pre-workout that I just took because I'm hyped. I'm trying to get to the gym. I didn't expect this thing to come, so I was like walking out the door. Then I'm like, oh, I got to open this and touch it and feel it and set it up. Yeah. So I got to go work off this pre-workout. But other than that, though, seriously, stay tuned. Hit the like button. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I start doing these reviews because this is brand new, off the press, brand new computer. This thing just came out. See, if you go to YouTube right now, you'll see a lot of stuff that they're talking about the computer because people was getting the early versions. They was getting the tech specs and all that, so they was talking about it. But this just came out, so people are just getting their hands on it. So here's the thing. I'm going to come back. I'm going to give you all of the specs. I'm going to give you my first impressions running through once I get my programs and everything set up. But it's going to take a while because to actually review a computer for real, you have to use it for a few months and really get to use it and scrutinize it and get to touch it and feel it and get all deep in there and get to the guts and all that and then really get a feel of what's popping out here with it. So that don't happen overnight. You understand what I'm saying? So stay with me. We're gonna get into this touchscreen, the speed, the strength, the vitality of it all, the camera, the thing right here. What you call it? The camera thing. I don't use it, so I can't remember what it is. But it used to be down here. It was terrible because it'd be shooting up your nose. The webcam. That's what it is. They moved the webcam up here. You see the thin bezel and all of that. So I don't use the webcam. I don't really care about it. But they say the speakers are down here somewhere. Where's the speakers at? The speakers speakers are down here. Speakers are roundabout somewhere. No, this is the vents. The speakers are here. I've been hearing that there's not really a good spot for these speakers on this computer, but listen, we're going to get into all of that. All of that, all right? Stay tuned, people. Stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button. Definitely look. That looks nice. Yeah! It looks good, right? Looks cool. I'm spitting all over the thing. I don't know if y'all saw that, but all right. Time to tune out. Time to sign off. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button. Definitely hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time something else pops up on the radar. Yeah! We're out of here. Salute.